TradingView gives you full control over how your charts look, and customizing the colors is incredibly simple. Start by clicking the chart settings icon at the top right corner of your chart. This is where all of your visual customization options are located. Once the settings window opens, you can choose exactly which elements you want to adjust. Inside the Style tab, you'll find all the color options related to your active chart type, whether you're using candlesticks, HLC bars, Renko line charts, or anything else. This is the place where you can change how each of those elements looks. You can modify candle colors, borders, wicks, and a variety of chart-specific details to create the exact visual layout you prefer. If you want to go even further, switch to the Background tab. Here, you can personalize the background color, adjust grid line visibility, change the appearance of your crosshair, and even update the color of labels and text. This allows you to build a chart environment that's comfortable for your eyes and matches your style of trading. And if you're looking to switch the look of the entire platform, TradingView makes that easy too. Just click the Toggle Theme button to instantly switch between dark mode and light mode. This affects the whole platform, giving you a consistent experience across every chart and tool. With these options, your TradingView workspace can look exactly the way you want it: clean, organized, and perfectly tailored to your needs.